Hello students, welcome back to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss most expected 2 marks questions for first PUC for first quarterly test 2026. Here I have listed out all the important questions from your syllabus. So the important questions of units and measurement is write any two limitations of dimension analysis, state the principle of homogeneity of dimension, write the SI unit or dimensional formula of some physical quantities. So you should be in a position of writing SI unit and dimensional formula of the physical quantities which you have studied in these five chapters. Okay, like force, pressure, work, whatever, impulse, like this, so whatever the physical quantity we have studied in these five chapters, that dimensional formula as well as SI unit you have to practice. Okay. So students, please note down all these important questions so that you can practice these questions along with all other important questions. Now let us begin with second chapter. So in motion in a straight line, two difference between speed and velocity. Draw X-ray graph for body moving with positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Define average speed, average velocity, or some numericals for 2 marks based on this average speed or average velocity, or to find out acceleration. So using the formula V minus U by T, or using the formula V squared minus U squared by 2x. Okay, so you can expect some numericals also. And go through the third chapter, motion of plane. Here there are some important most expected questions are like this. Difference between scalars and vectors. Write the expression for maximum height, time of flight, range of projectile, or the expression for centripetal acceleration and resultant of two concurrent vectors A and B. Explain the terms. So mention the expression and explain the terms of all these physical quantities can be expected. Okay, and define the terms like null vector, unit vector, equal vector, negative vectors, or there are some other like parallel vectors, any other if I left. So you just go through that definition you have to practice. And if I look at the laws of motion, there are so many questions for 2 marks, and I have listed out only important questions or most expected questions for quarterly test, that is state and explain Newton's first law of motion, second law of motion, or third law of motion. Statement and one explain means you have to either write the expression or you should explain in 1 or 2 lines. And what is impulsive force? Give example. And what? Define impulse of force with an example. There is small difference. Define impulse of force means J is F into T, product of force and time. That definition you should write. And what is impulsive force? Is the largest force acts on a body for short duration of time. And state the principle of rocket propulsion. Rocket propulsion is based on the principle of law of conservation of linear momentum. You need to state this one. Mention any two common forces in mechanics, that is gravity, normal reaction, tension, friction. All these are common forces experiencing in our day-to-day life. So that you need to mention here. Mention the types of friction like static friction, kinetic friction. Again, in that kinetic friction is of 2 types, that is sliding friction as well as rolling friction. And any two advantages of friction. Friction helps us to walk on the road. Friction helps us to ride. Like this, you can write any two advantages. Next question is, what is banking of roads? Why banking is necessary for a curved road? So the process of raising the outer edge of the road than the inner edge is called as banking of roads. So this, why it is necessary on a curved road means, you know that on a curved road to take a turn, so the vehicle needs centripetal force. So you have friction that provides centripetal force for vehicle to take a turn. But sometimes if the speed is more than the required speed on a curved road, so if the speed is more than that, there is a chance of skidding. So to avoid that skidding, here banking is necessary. That means the friction alone is not sufficient to take a turn. So that's why banking of road is necessary on a curved road. Okay. Next, last chapter, work, energy and power. So in this there are only half syllabus is there. So in work, energy, power, we are not reading entire syllabus. So that's why based on your syllabus, here I have listed out only 3 questions like write SI unit and dimensional formula, work or energy, And you can also expect the questions like define kinetic energy and mention the expression, or define potential energy and mention the expression. What are conservative and non-conservative forces? Give example is one of the important questions for 2 marks here. So like this, I have listed out most expected, that is fixed questions for quarterly test for first PUC physics is mentioned in this video. Students, along with these questions, you also go through the textbook questions, and whatever is mentioned in your classwork, you just go through that, and along with this, you just practice numericals and go through some other previous year question paper, okay, and practice all these questions. And I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.